Well, hello, trader nerds, and welcome to our very first class on drawing big green monsters. It's going to be held Monday, August 1st, 2022 at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Class is only $7.99. Go for about an hour and a half. If you can't make it live, no worries. You'll have access to an exclusive video that will show you how to draw the big green monster on stocks, indexes, futures, whatever you like. I always draw it on the ES, but I wanted to show you how incredibly accurate this tool is. Let me just share with you so you can see the big green monster. Because I want you to not depend on anyone else to teach you. I don't want to give you a fish, I want to teach you two fish. So if we're sharing our screen, so you share. Yeah. So we're sharing our screen here. We drew this on the first day of July. And so today's July the 30th. Check this out, how this particular thing is very, very good at identifying levels of support and resistance and whether something is oversold or overbought. So you would think, oh man, Bobby, you probably drew that during this time, right? And you probably drew this green line there. No, I drew this on July 1st. So this is what, last Friday? Look at that, y'all. It's incredibly accurate at depicting where we have overbought, oversold conditions. We're going to show you all about volume profile. We're going to show you about monkey bars. We got the monkeypox in the United States, all over the world. No worries. We're going to talk about monkey bars. We're going to talk about market profile. We're going to talk about volume profile, all kinds of stuff. So I want you guys to be involved. So I'll send a link down in the description where you can register for the class. It'll be Monday, August 1st, 2022 at 2 p.m. Eastern. If you can't make it live, no worries. $7.99 gets you an exclusive video on how to draw these charts. I'll see you Monday. Have a great weekend.